it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, cause that's your birthday. Party in the club, bottle full of bug.
What it takes to come alive. Happy birthday! I just can't do. When I'm out of space, she's my idol. I just can't imagine she's my idol.
Promise I'm yours, always and forever. Through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I love you forever and ever and always.
Big boss oma, pero nakagoma. Sprays bago lumabas, maaroma. Dama mo sa ora, malakas, walang boka. Bolen ako kahit walang boka.
Go, 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 shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, cause that's your birthday.
What it takes to come alive. It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't deny. Wait a minute.
Happy birthday, pre.
Birthday si Boss Francis ng Red Tune. Wish ko lang sa'yo, pare, more birthdays to come. Siyempre, a good health. At siyempre, more power sa iyong business. At siyempre, more karga para more pera. Let's go.
Happy birthday, Francis! Happy birthday, Tol! More power, Red Tune from Genix.
Happy birthday kay Francis! Mabuhay ka ng mahaba hanggat gusto mo! Paano ko lang, lagi na tayong makatao. O, sa mga na binubuo mo, palakasin mo ng palakasin! Anlipi ka, walang sabog!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, sabi daw ng motor ko, sana nakargahan mo na daw siya.
Hey, Brother Francis, wala ka na sa kalendaryo. Wish ko sana matupad lahat ng wish nila sa'yo. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sis. More birthday to come. More blessing to come. Kahit marami kang bad trip sa amin. Happy birthday. More bad trip to come.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Kuya Francis. Sana marami pang dumating na birthday sa atin. Sa shop. Sa'yo lang pala. At sana i-bless pa tayo ni Lord palagi. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Please. Happy birthday sa'yo. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Francis. Wish ko sana pumuti ka pa.
Happy birthday, sis. Wish you all the best and sana lumago pa yung business mo. More customer, more power. Bang, bang. Mas.
Yun, Kuya Francis, happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. More blessings to come. Yun lang.
Happy birthday sa tropa naming solid.
Happy birthday, pre. Sana marami ka pang mabudol na customer. Happy birthday, Francis.
More sales, tsaka more branches. Yun.
Happy birthday, Ninong!
Happy birthday, Ninong! Ay, happy birthday na, Ninong. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, bye-bye!
Siya po ay aking binabati ng maligayang kaarawan
Alam ko, lahat ng iyong pagsisikap at pagtsatsaga ay para sa iyong pamilya. Pagpatuloy mo lang yan at pagyabungin ka pa ng ating Panginoong may kapal. At muli, ikay aking binabati, Exis, ng maligayang kaarawan, aking kaibigang puti. Okay na ba yun?
Oo, okay na yun.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Kuya. God bless.
Congressman Iceman nga pala, shoutout sa'yo, Francis.
Kapa-Iceman nga pala, happy birthday sa'yo, Francis. Stay healthy, stay happy, at sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo ngayon. At stay healthy, stay happy, at more blessing pa sa'yo. Shoutout sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Tolls. Enjoy your day. Ingat parate. Ride soon. Adios.
Happy birthday!
Yo, Francis, happy birthday. Wishing you good health, more customers, and more blessings. Ride safe lagi.
Boss, happy birthday. Francis Panuringan. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Happy birthday!